In this video, you'll learn how to effectively increase the speed of your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance the loading time and overall performance of your site. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. This is where you will begin the process to clear your browser's cache, which can significantly impact website performance. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. These dots represent the menu icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. After that, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Within this menu, clicking on this option will direct you to settings related to your browsing data and privacy preferences. Once this page appears, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. This action is crucial as it allows you to remove cached files that may slow down your website's performance. You will now see a dialog box with different options for clearing your data. Ensure that the option for cached images and files is selected. This will help improve your website speed by eliminating outdated cached content. Following this, click on the button labeled Clear Data to initiate the process. Depending on the amount of data stored, this may take a few moments. Confirmation messages will appear once the cache has been successfully cleared. Now that your cache is cleared, proceed to open your WordPress website. You can do this by entering your website's URL into the browser's address bar and pressing Enter. This will load your site with a fresh start. It's important to note that improving website speed can involve additional steps beyond clearing the cache. Consider optimizing images, using a content delivery network, or selecting a faster hosting provider to achieve even better performance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.